Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the stylish screwless tub overflow plate. It's super easy to install. The first step is to remove the old one, and this is just held on by 2 screws. Once the old plate is off, I highly recommend cleaning around the overflow hole. I'm just using a regular household sponge and some foaming bathroom cleaner. Let it dry thoroughly and then we can install the new plate. The new overflow plate is a bit more complicated. Despite the name, it's not truly screwless because there are still screws. In fact, you're going to be reusing the existing ones from the old plate. I recommend putting one of the screws in and then hanging this green retainer ring on the screw. Next, you can put in that aluminum bracket and then install the second screw. It takes a bit of coordination to get everything held in place, but it's quite simple to do, and once you have everything installed, you can then tighten down the screws, making sure that that green ring is centered over the hole. Once the green ring has been centered over the hole and the screws tightened down, the overflow plate installs with a snap. Just press it onto the green ring and you'll hear a click. If you need to remove the overflow plate, such as to clear a clogged drain, it's super easy. Just pull it right off. You can see here that there's plenty of room to get a snake through here. If you need to snake the drain line, there's no need to remove the green overflow ring. And this means maintenance is actually easier because if your drain gets clogged, just pull it right off. And then when it's cleared, snap it back on. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you all next time.